I am not going to say nothing else on this silent retreat but this. I need to warn everybody out there for fake content creators and fake Catholic speakers who talk about spiritual warfare that are making millions off of the gospel. Never one time in the Bible does it show where people are making millions of dollars off of the gospel. This is a false narrative. This is a false gospel. It kind of reminds me of everybody thinking that Donald Trump's a savior, right? When we know that Donald Trump's a piece of shit. It's just the reality of the things that he's doing. He's not a savior. Only Jesus Christ is our savior. So I want to warn you, for all the Catholic speakers that are out there, all the YouTubers that are begging you for money, you should not be becoming a millionaire off of the gospel. This is not the truth. This is not the gospel. Show me in the Bible where people kept millions of dollars. No. When you made money, you were forced to give it all to God, not save it so you could store all these treasures here on earth that fade away with the moths, right? We are